This stand will raise your monitor to the perfect height. Let's check it out. Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the BoYata monitor riser stand, and it's a really nice adjustable metal stand. Now, if you're like a lot of people, you probably have things too low. So if you're working on your laptop, for example, you're probably hunching over and looking down, and that gives you shoulder aches, gives you headaches. It's more fatiguing. So much better is to raise things up so you can sit with a nice erect posture. That is a much better ergonomic position. That's what the purpose of a monitor riser stand is. And the BoYata is a really nice one. As you can see, it is nice and strong and stable, and it supports up to 33 pounds, which is 15 kilograms. So you can put a lot heavier monitor than this little Acer on here. But let me take this off and show you some other things, because it also, as you can see, lets you put your keyboard in the bottom nice and easily too. And that's really nice, because there's a lot of monitor stands that are like this sort of shape. But the problem is that it looks great in the photo, but then when you get one, you find out that your keyboard's an inch too wide. So in this scenario, even this super wide keyboard works just fine. And of course, the real cool thing about this is it's adjustable. So loosen it up, you can raise it up, and its height goes from 4.3 to 7.5 inches. That's 11 to 19 centimeters. And then you tighten it up, you put your monitor back on it, and you're ready to go. Now, I have a monitor on it, but I could use a TV, I could use like a big iMac or something. I could put my laptop on here if that's what I wanted to do and I needed the extra space. It's really nice. It's really well designed, easy to work with. There's no spring in here, so you do have to manually adjust the height, and then you just tighten it up. How's it put together? Well, there's 2 screws on the bottom and 2 screws on the top. And let me give you 2 handy hints after I did everything wrong the first time I built it. Is number 1, have the control facing outward, because your temptation is to have the name facing out, but then it's really hard to adjust it. So I would recommend doing it this way. And the second thing is, on the bottom, they have these non-skid pads, so that makes it really easy to understand orientation. But on the top, they don't have anything like that, so you want to look and make sure you assemble it so that the screws have a recessed spot so that they go flush, and the whole thing is flush with the top. Here's a close-up to show you what I mean by that. So once you have all that assembled, and it does come with its little tiny Allen wrench, makes it easy. They even include 2 extra screws, which I really appreciate. It's easily built and ready to roll, and there's really nothing not to like about it. It's a really nice, solid solution. It is fairly heavy. It's 5.8 or 2.6 kilograms. Sorry, 5.8 pounds. So it is not really something you're going to be taking to the local coffee shop, but who does that? I mean, that would be really weird. So in terms of dimensions, the top is 9 inches by 11.4 inches. Yes, 23 by 29 centimeters. And then the bottom, as you can see, is a little bit smaller. It's actually 9.3 inches wide. So actually, I guess I should do it this way. So it's 9.3 inches wide. And then it is by depth, it is 7.8 inches. And that's 24 by 20 centimeters. So that's really it. I've given you all the specs. It is strong. It is stable as heck. You can see here, this is going to work really well. Even if you have a big like 4K monitor, like a 28-inch monitor or something, this will work just fine for that. And it really will revolutionize your workspace. And most importantly, it'll change your posture, which will make you feel better. This is like a health device, right? So really one worth checking out. It comes in black or silver. That's really all I have to say about it. So other than the price, but before I get to the price, let me ask if you could go ahead and click or tap on that subscribe button. Really appreciate when you subscribe to my channel. And let me know, give me some feedback, a comment. Tell me what you wish I would have shown more of or less of. And thumbs up if you feel I earned it. That always is appreciated. Cool. This is the BoYata monitor riser stand, and it's $35.99, although I looked on Amazon just now and it's $30.59 in black or silver at Amazon.com. Definitely a game changer if you have a monitor or a desktop setup. Definitely one worth checking out. And I love that I can just slip my keyboard in here and keep my desk even that much neater. So definitely one to check out. And I'll catch you in my next video.